Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, look at that. What is that? Apa kabar, guys? And today I have a very special video for you guys. We are going to eat as much martabak daging as we can. Also, we're going to eat some martabak manis as well. So let's go do that. Let's talk to the locals here at this shop and also record the process, how they make the martabak daging and the martabak manis. All right, let's do it. Ayo pergi gaspo. All right, but first we need to cross the street here. The street is a little crazy. I hope they don't kill Bule here. Please don't kill Bule. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. All right. Hey, apa kabar? Hey, semangat, semangat. Alright, guys, and so here we have the martabak daging here, and we are going to eat as much martabak as possible. So yeah, let's go do it. So it's called the Martabak Mesir. Let's go try it. And he's also got the martabak and the martabak, sweet martabak as well. Hey, what's up, brother? Apa kabar?
Baik,
Kamu gonna be famous after this.
Yes.
So kamu siapa namamu?
Lido.
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 That's Lido.
Lido.
All right, Lido. Ambo mau. Ambo nio. Saya membuat video as much banyak as martabak as I can makan.
Okay.
So ambo nio dua martabak daging.
Martabak daging.
Yeah, let's go. Ayo pergi.
Yeah.
Toledo is going to help us cook the martabak daging, guys. Let's do it. All right. Hello. Apa kabar udah?
Baik.
Semangat. Siapa namamu? Anggi. Nama saya Austin.
Dari mana?
Ambo dari mana? Amerika. Tapi Ambo suku Jamba. Nah, I'm just kidding. Bercanda. But yeah, we're gonna start with 2 of the martabak daging. Ambo bisa lihat process. Oh, hey, apa kabar? Nama bagus. Yuda.
Yuda.
Kamu dari mana?
Dari
Payakumbu. Payakumbu. Meninjau. Ya.
Meninjau.
Bagus. Saya mau pergi di sana sebentar lagi. Yeah, bagus. It'll be awesome. All right, guys, and so he's doing the process here. This is how he. Apa ini? Is that the roti?
Roti, yeah.
And so this is the roti. He's doing the roti like that. Amazing. Lido. Wow. Expert. He's doing the roti just like in India. Bagus. So Lido. So kamu dari mana?
Aku adalah dari Payakumbu.
Oh, Payakumbu.
Yeah.
Apa ini?
Yang ini, iya.
Apa ini?
Martabak Mesir.
Oh, bagus. Whoa, when you see how he puts it on there like that. Wow. Let's check that out, guys. So he puts the martabak on here, and the martabak will cook and everything. And he's making even more. Yeah. Ambo nio dua some martabak daging.
Yeah.
Yes, makasih. Whoa, Lido. Yeah, Lido, expert guy right here, man. And his kamu saudara Lido?
Bukan.
Bukan. Kamu
Kampung.
teman-teman as a kampung dari Payakumbu.
Yeah.
I see. So they are tamans, and so they are from the same village in Payakumbu. Yeah, bagus. Wow, look at that. He's so fast. Whoa, and then pow, look at that. Amazing. All right, so we are gonna start with 2 of the martabak daging, and we're gonna eat as much as we can because I'm so hungry. and I waited the whole day to eat
Ini rendang.
as much martabak daging. Hah? Apa?
Rendang.
Oh, randang.
Ya.
Whoa, this is randang daging.
Iya, rendang ini.
Oh my god. Yo, this is crazy. This is randang as a martabak.
Ya.
Whoa, guys, randang martabak. This is crazy because randang is my absolute favorite food in the world, and he's making the martabak with the randang. How crazy is that, right? Crazy. Gila gila. Insane. The martabak daging is actually randang martabak. Whoa, mind blown. I should have been eating this every single day, and it covers it into bread like roti. How insane is that, guys? That's like, I didn't know that before. This is the first time eating martabak, guys. I'm so excited. This is gonna be incredible. Whoa. Apa ini pancake?
Ya.
Pancake.
Oh, sayur-sayur.
Sayur.
Ya.
Sayur. And so this place, I see like all kinds of people coming here every day, and I'm like, I need to try this. And so here they got all the eggs there, thousands of eggs. Amazing. Ooh, look at that. Luda.
Yuda.
Uda.
Yuda.
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 Yuda is flipping the martabak. Whoa, check out. Amazing, amazing. Yo, Perky Gaspo. And then in the background, you got Lido here doing the flipping. Amazing. So kamu jam di sini 24 every day? Setiap hari?
Ya.
24 24 hari 7. Yeah?
Ya.
Whoa, 24/7. Amazing, amazing. So kamu berapa kerja di sini? Berapa lama kamu kerja di sini?
Udah 4 tahun.
4 tahun
Yeah.
here. Oh, good. So he said he has been working here for 4 years. So making the martabak. And so kamu berapa umurmu?
Umur saya 25.
25. Whoa, since 21 he's been here. Amazing, amazing. And then kamu berapa umurmu?
Saya 20.
20. Wow, very good. And so kamu berapa lama kamu kerja di sini?
Saya baru di sini.
Huh?
Baru 7 hari.
7 hari?
Yeah.
Oh, you're
Satu
new.
minggu.
That's a new guy. Satu minggu. He's been here for a week. And he's only 20, but he's from Payakumbuh. Bagus. Yuda. Wow, check out how much of the martabak daging they've already cooked. It's a fast process. It's like us whipping the roti, then pouring on the randang and the sayur all together, and the butter. Wow, amazing. Berapa sa martabak kamu membuat setiap hari? 100.
Ya, malam.
100. So I asked him how many martabak he makes every day, and he makes over 100 martabak. Flipping the martabak. So he's cutting it up right here. Ooh, very good. Yuda. He's been here for 1 week and he's already a professional. Wow. Amazing. And so berapa harga di sini? Berapa harga?
25.000.
25? Satu.
Ya,
So 50.
Oh, 50.
Dua.
52.
Okay, cool. So 2 of those with the randang is 50,000 with the randang. Incredible, guys. This is incredible value. Apa ini?
Ini kuah.
Huh?
Kuah cuko.
Tea?
Kuah.
Kuah.
Ya, kuah.
What is that? Oh, sauce.
Sos. Ya.
Let's see. All right, let's go smash this. Let's see.
Di sini
Ah, Di sini. Yeah, di sini. Thanks, makasih bro. Semangat. Right guys, so we got two of these, the martabak. Then we have this sauce. He said it's like guava or something. So let's pour the guava on there. Oh, that smells spicy too. Oh, all right, let's pour the guava on there. Not too much. All right, we'll pour the guava on there. All right, so you see here the martabak. This martabak. Let's try it. Hopefully it's good. Of course it's going to be good, guys, because this is randang too. Randang daging. Alright guys, so we got the first taste here of the Martabak Daging, which is the Martabak Rendang. Man, it's incredible. So good, guys. Lemak bana. Brother, this is so good. It's lemak bana, bro. It's lemak bana. Makasih, bro. Incredible, man. This is incredible. I just want to eat this every day too as well. Like, incredible. And also this guava makes it better. This is called guava, yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Yes, lemak bana, bro. Here you see the rendang, definitely like all the meat. This is good, but also it's got like the different kind of like sayur. It's got the onions. It's also got the curry. It's also got like and it's also got peppers in it too. And so it's a little bit spicy, but so good. Enak banget.
Isi bro. Nah ini bro.
Oh.
Rendang. Campur nih itu. Nice.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, it's lemak bana, bro. And so here he gave me the rendang and daging. It's so beautiful. Kamu bisa di sini if you want. If you want, you could be here. Kamu make. You can be right here.
Bahasa Inggris bro.
Let's go.
Bahasa Inggris aku bro.
Kamu famous as martabak in the world.
Yeah.
This is Salito, the best martabak paling martabak dunia. Bugos. Yeah. So I said he's the best martabak. He makes the best martabak in the world. Alright guys, so boom, look at that. Incredible. Let's go. Mas Lido. Semangat. Kamu boss di sini.
Oh no.
Apa boss?
Saya karyawan.
Hah?
Karyawan.
Karyawan. Oh, karyawan.
Pekerja.
So the roti, if you've been to Malaysia, and so that's how he made the roti here. Then he covered it into the rendang, and then also the different kind of flavors, the sayur, the vegetables, also peppers and onions, and then also with the guava. And this beef is inside of it, dude. Insane. It's like 10 out of 10. I just want to eat this all day.
Tapi rendang ini dicampur enak nih bro. Rendang ini bro. Nih ya.
Ini?
Dicampur sama
Campur? Oh, like this?
Waduh, ya enak nih.
Like that. Oh, he said put this in here like this. I see. Bugos. Yes. Makasih, bro.
Thank you bro.
Bugos. Incredible. Korean.
Hello.
This is Korean.
Yeah,
Korean.
This is martabak.
This is martabak daging rendang.
Yeah.
Right?
Semangat.
Semangat.
Yes.
Semangat. Alright guys, so we have number 2 here. So we finished number 1 here. Now we go on to number 2.
Yes,
And this is actual rendang, man. How insane. This is martabak rendang.
Yes, martabak rendang. We keep eating martabak, lamun nombak, sederhana.
Every day rendang.
Is so happy for
Rendang.
Sumatra Barat.
Yes, bro. I love Sumatra Barat.
Yes.
And also rendang setiap hari, bro. Saya mau uni bisa masak saya rendang setiap hari. Inshallah.
Good.
Inshallah. All right, bro. Here we go for number 2. Number 2 martabak. I eat the rendang every day. This is the same kind of taste almost, and it's like incredible, guys. Absolutely just phenomenal, phenomenal martabak from people in Payakumbuh here in Padang. Alright guys, so we yes, makasih. So we got the ST. Hello, apa kabar? I'm getting kind of full now. I think after 2, I think I might be done. Bagus.
So hot. Only one.
Kamu bisa di sini, cause like the vlog,
Okay.
it'll be better. It'll be bagus. No, like you here.
Ya bro.
No.
Bali MMA.
Yeah.
Bali MMA.
Yeah, Bali MMA training, fighting.
Oh, training.
Yeah. Phuket Thailand.
Sungkokong.
Yeah. I mean, you bisa. Yeah. Thailand, apa tuhun. Bali, 30 tuhun. Yeah.
Fighter Sungkokong and training is here.
Oh, Thailand, Phuket.
Okay.
Yeah, Phuket, Thailand. Alright, guys, we got Lido.
Ya.
Lido.
My name
We got
is
Lido, Korean.
Sandi Martabak.
Sali Martabak. Sali Martabak. Martabak.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Martabak.
Yeah.
It's Martabak.
Martabak.
Guys, I need to get my pronunciation better. I'm saying Martabak, but it's not Martabak. It's Martabak. It's Martabak. Now it's Bismillah. Bismillah, lama kebana.
Masya Allah.
Masya Allah. Masya Allah. Alright, it was so full. And we got only 2 more. Boom. Alright guys, so we absolutely
This is
destroyed.
Martabak. This is Martabak. Good brother. This is Martabak.
Yo, it's so funny, bro. They hear me say Martabak. It is so funny. It is
So
Martabak.
viral.
Alright guys, so look, we just absolutely destroy this. Incredible. All gone. Alright, so we got this tea right here. Alright, brother. Berapa harga?
Martabak too.
And then tea.
Yeah. Martabak too.
ST. So 50 apa? 55.
5 rupiah.
55.
Oh,
Thanks.
okay.
Makasih, brother.
Pas.
Semangat.
Thank you. Semangat.
Makasih.
Masih.
Semangat. Alright guys, so that's Lido there, Sandi Korean. So thanks a lot guys, this has been fun. We absolutely destroyed 2 Martabak Daging Randang. Martabak.
Martabak.
Martabak. Not Martabang.
Not martabak.
Martabak. We destroyed 2 Martabak Daging Mesir. All gone guys, and it's Rendang 2 in there. Crazy. Yes, bagus. And ST, and it cost 55,000. Incredible guys, and I'm full from that.
Semangat.
And see you all in the next video. Let's go. Ayo pergi gaspo.
See you brother.
Yes, makasih brother. Semangat gaspo. Pow.